See, what a beautiful pattern for shawl, runner, cardigan, etc. So fast and pretty pattern. So welcome back to my channel Life Skills with Padma. Please do like, share and subscribe. Today's video is about the shell stitch. It's so easy and beautiful pattern for shawl, runner and any project you want to make with this pattern. This is so fast and beautiful pattern. I'm using two colors. You can use one or more according to your choice. Okay, I'm making the 32 chains. You can also make the any multiple of 8 chains. So I'm starting with 32 chains to show you the sample of shell stitch. So skip one chain and make a single crochet like this. Make a single crochet. Now make single crochet in the next 5 stitches. After 6 single crochet, after 6 single crochet in the beginning, make 2 chains, skip one chain. In the next stitch, make a single crochet. Now we'll make 5 single crochets, then 2 chains, skip one stitch, make 5 single crochet, repeating the same pattern. Repeating the same pattern, we have 6 stitches, single crochet stitches in the start and in the end. Now make a single chain and turn the project. Now make a single crochet in the third stitch. Make 3 single crochets. Now make double crochet stitches in the first space that we made in this way. Now make the single crochet in the third stitch. Now again make the double crochet stitches in the next space, 7 double crochet stitches, and be repeating the process, making the 7 double crochet stitches, skipping the 2 chains, and in the third stitch making the single crochet, moving further like this till the end, and in the last space I will be making the 4 double crochet stitches. Now I am changing the color. You can use the same color as well. Chain 1, after chain 1 make 3 single crochet stitches. Now double crochet stitch in the previous single crochet stitch, 2 chains, again 1 double crochet stitch in the same stitch. Now V-stitch is ready. Now I'll make the single crochet, 3 single crochet on the top of the previous double crochets. This way. I'll make the V-stitch. After V-stitch, again I'll make single crochet, 3 single crochet in the previous 7 double crochet stitches, repeating the same process for the whole. Turning the project, making the single crochet stitches. And I'll make the double crochet stitches in the first V space. Okay, 7 double crochet stitches. Now I'll make the single crochet after skipping the 2 stitches. Now making 7 double crochet stitches in the previous V stitch. Repeating the same pattern, I'll make this beautiful cardigan pattern. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed a lot. So please leave me a comment about your understanding.